ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦਿਸ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸ਼ੋ। ਆਮ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜੀ ਕਿ ਸਿਹਤ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਜਹਾਨ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਅੱਜ ਸਿਹਤ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਿੰਤੂ ਪਰੰਤੂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਜੋ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਡਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਪੀਣਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਕੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਹੋਈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਖਾਣ ਪੀਣ ਸਹੀ ਜੋ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਪੀਂਦੇ ਸੀ, ਇਹ ਤਬਦੀਲੀ ਜੋ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਸੀ ਜੀਵਨ ਵਿੱਚ, ਉਸ ਕਾਰਨ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਬਿਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਕੜ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੈ ਜੋੜਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਦਰਦਾਂ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਆਰਥਰਾਈਟਿਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਹ ਆਰਥਰਾਈਟਿਸ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਆਓ ਇਸ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈਣੇ ਮੀਟ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ Dr. Thomas Jackson. Welcome to the program.
Thank you, Harpreet.
I was about to say you Ji Aaya Nu in Punjabi. And you could have understood that.
Because I'm learning.
Right. So arthritis is a major issue in our communities today. So what is it, how does it come about, and what needs to be done to be aware of it so that we are not carrying this problem?
Well, this is one of my favorite topics because I was one of the victims of arthritis.
Okay.
And as probably shared some time ago. But I was clinically diagnosed at the age of 17. It started off in a form called bursitis, then it moved into arthritis, then eventually moved into rheumatoid arthritis, which is an autoimmune. And it lasted for 10 years, 17 to 27. And I was in pursuit of a professional career as a basketball player, and that stopped that pursuit.
Right.
And I was told that there was no cure for that. There was no known cause.
Right.
And you have to take, I was told, the drugs for the rest of my life. And like I said, that was over 40-something, maybe, close to 45 years ago. And as that's when I was young, but now here at the age of 65, I don't have arthritis. I began to understand something, that there's a cause for everything. And when you think of arthritis, the word arthritis does not tell you the cause. It just talks about inflammation of the joints. And our whole body is filled with inflammation when we're suffering with certain of those conditions. So arthritis, this is what I found out. When there's inflammation, that means that in one of the shows we talked about the cells and the blood. And when you and I do not understand what we eat, how we think will impact that, we will come to the conclusion that maybe I was born with this condition. I found out that one of the things that I failed to do that contributed to my arthritis, I did not drink a lot of water. I drink something called Gatorade, soft drinks, and I found out that when your body is dehydrated, the body will compensate by pulling water from the cartilage, because the cartilage are lubricated in water. So most people that deal with arthritis, I ask them how much water they drink, and you can find out, you can come to the conclusion by talking to these people, they drink very little water. So I didn't drink water. So that affects my joints. The other thing that I found out, that I love sugar, and I found out that sugar,
refined sugar.
Refined, white sugar, white sugar, the processed sugar. The sugar was depleting calcium out of my joints, out of my body. And so that was causing a problem. I found out that I was in pursuit of trying to be rich and famous, making money. So I had a very high stress life. I was selfish. I was not trying to help nobody. I just wanted to help Thomas Jackson, myself. And I found out that the stress was also causing problems with my joints. It was called pulling calcium out of my body. So what am I saying, Harpreet? I'm saying that these things that we don't think about, the water, the foods we eat, the stress.
It's all cyclical. It's all interrelated.
It contributes to my arthritis. And we wrote a little book here, I put a little book here, called Taking the Itis Out of Arthritis. And the fact is how to remove the inflammation, but not only that, can it be reversed? Can it be reversed? And I believe through proper nutrition, yes, it can be done.
You're an example.
I'm an example of that. I remember, I don't know, it was 20 years ago, we were in another part of the world, and my wife picked up an article written by a certain doctor. I didn't know the doctor, and it was talking about arthritis. It says, nothing that you can do will resolve this arthritic problem. Nothing you can do. Nutrition has nothing to do with that, etc. And I just had a little smile on my face. And I said, there are people who have high educated level of knowledge,
degrees,
but unfortunately, the very simple things of life, that food does influence your body. What you think, what you drink, it influences your body. And so we began to teach people dealing with arthritis what they need to do to reverse that situation.
Right.
And it's through what we call God's plan for taking out this arthritis. Gout. Just take gout.
Right.
It's another form of arthritis. High consumption of sugar.
Right.
High consumption of protein. There's a substance called uric acid.
Yeah.
Uric acid. So the more uric acid we build up in our body, it binds calcium.
Right.
Now, uric acid can be produced by certain foods we eat, especially eating, high consumption of foods that has blood in it. Blood contains a substance called purine.
Right.
Purine.
Yeah.
So the more purine we ingest, the more uric acid we produce. And so I had to educate people in regards to watch, especially foods, foods that has blood in it,
Okay.
that they need to really either eliminate or decrease their intakes
Right.
of high, food that's contain a lot of blood.
Okay.
Because it's have purine. A lot of other foods have purine, nuts and beans, but those foods are easy to metabolize body than rather the foods that has blood, such as flesh food.
Right.
And so if a person going to, eat flesh food. Now, what I did, Harpreet, over 40 years ago, I just came to the realization I began to eat a total plant-based diet.
Right.
And but if folks are going to have to eat flesh foods, I tell a person that pork is one of the worst foods you can eat.
Okay.
Pork with the trichinocardia, that's the worst foods you can eat is pork.
Okay.
I read in the Bible says it's unclean. The pig does not have any sweat glands. Everything comes straight from the hoof. And my family, we grew up on eating pork.
Right.
They have a food called hog guts.
Yeah.
They call it chitlins. And that caused a lot of problem in my family. And I stopped eating that. Red meats is also high in purine. And then you come up to the chicken and the turkey and the fish. So in that order.
Right.
But the more vegetables that a person can add to their diet, more whole grains, there will be a less desire for flesh foods. In a sense, most people say, well, how can I live without flesh food? You can live without flesh food because flesh food contains no vitamin C, no vitamin E. People say, well, where do I get the protein?
Right.
Plants contain all the proteins because a high consumption of protein, lack of water, will contribute to arthritis.
Okay.
That's some of the things.
So you talked about sugar, refined sugar. You talked about white flour, the processed foods.
That's
These are not good for because they deplete calcium.
They deplete the body,
So
calcium.
anything else which needs to be kept in mind for those people who are suffering from arthritis as to what kind of exercise does that help?
Yes.
And anything else?
Now, one of the things what kept me out of a wheelchair, because I was an athlete, I was very active,
Right.
Even though in spite of the stiffness of the joints. But I would think that mobility, most people have a problem, but there has to be some type of physical exercise. I'm dealing with people too who are walking on a walker, but some movement is necessary.
Right.
Walking is the best form of exercise, what we call low impact exercise.
Okay.
There is I don't know if I have it here, there's an apparatus, I don't know if I can, it's called, you've heard of it, it's called a rebounder.
Okay.
It is a miniature trampoline
Okay,
that you
yeah.
get on and bounce. You ever heard of that?
Yeah, small one. Yeah.
It's a small one. It's not like those
Big ones, yeah.
if you
Yeah, that's right.
So that is what we call low impact. A person can get on that trampoline
Right.
and just bounce, lift up. Zero gravity. That also encourages lymphatic flow. It takes the pressure off the weight-bearing joints. 15 minutes of that. If a person is not able to power walk.
Right.
But rebound. I mean, it's a good investment. Walking outdoors is very important
Okay.
exercise. Stretching,
Right.
all of those points, because you got to improve circulation.
Right.
That's so important. Improving circulation. This is why you want to watch the fried foods and the sugar, because that impedes circulation.
Okay.
So that type of exercise.
So
20,
these are
30
the
minutes.
basic things which need to be kept in mind, and you are an example that you recovered from arthritis.
Right.
Thank
Most
you very
definitely.
much. Thank you. ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਜੈਕਸਨ ਨਾਲ ਜੋ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਆਰਥਰਾਈਟਿਸ ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਜੋੜਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਦਰਦਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਖਾਣਾ ਪੀਣਾ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਬੜਾ ਅਸਰ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ, ਫਰਾਈਡ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਮੀਟ ਬਾਰੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਮੀਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੂਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਪਿਊਰਿਨ ਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੋਰਕ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਮਾੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਰੈੱਡ ਮੀਟ ਮਾੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਚਿਕਨ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਵੋਇਡ ਕਰੋ, ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਲਾਂਟਸ ਤੋਂ ਮਿਲ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਜੈਕਸਨ ਇੱਕ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਨੇ, ਇਹ 17 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਰਥਰਾਈਟਿਸ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ, ਲੇਕਿਨ 10 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਹ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਿਵਰਤਨ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ। ਇਹ ਓਵਰਨਾਈਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਖਾਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੋਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਦਲਾਅ ਦੇ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਆਰਥਰਾਈਟਿਸ ਖਤਮ ਹੋਇਆ। ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਲਿਵਿੰਗ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਹਾਂ, ਤੇ ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਸਫਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜੋੜਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਦਰਦਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਲਾਈਫ ਸਟਾਈਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੇਂਜ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।